Okay, we're getting ready to install the Mudbusters front fender flares on the Talon. We took the front wheel and tire off, so we were able to get in there and drill the new holes you have to put in.
You gotta take one factory plug out. Then you can use that one. Get it over here.
Are all these secured with the push pins?
The front ones are secured with push pins, and then the back has a couple push pins, but then it's got bolts with nylock nuts.
Well, that light's too bright. It's a spotlight damn near.
Use a 9/32 drill bit for the push pins, and then the bolts in the back. You're going to use a 1/4 inch.
You drill that one? Man, it doesn't get any easier than that.
It's pretty easy. That's the front right there.
Let's take a look at this.
Pretty simple.
It looks good. I mean, it looks like it matches, you know, the
Yep.
contour and everything really good. Okay, we moved on to the rear driver's side. This is the lower mud guard installation. Everything's done with push pins. There's 3 of them. Push pins on this side.
Yep, there'll be 3 push pins we got to put in up top. You got to be careful because the voltage regulator for the machine is right behind this plastic plate.
Yeah, so don't drill through there and hit your voltage regulator.
Really careful. And then on the other side, when you do that, the seat is right behind the plastic, so you got to be really careful with that one too.
And they note that in their instructions.
Yes.
So far the instructions have been excellent, and it's pretty straightforward, really an easy install so far.
I got mud all over this machine.
Oh.
It's just a mess. That slides right in there like that. There's a slot there. That fits into. So That's going to go like that there.
Can I get in on the inside and hold that from moving?
I don't think there's any way to get in there.
Because it looks like the plastic on the Talon's just so soft
Yeah.
that the push pin doesn't want to go into it.
We're going to read that whole lot just a hair more.
And we're using the 9/32 drill bit. Just reamed it out a little bit bigger so this push pin will fit in there.
Alright,
There we go.
this one might be a little tricky.
Oh, that one went in a little deep. That's it. Nothing holds it on the bottom.
Just this push
Oh,
pin
there's
down
more.
here.
Oh, so there's 4 push pins total?
This one down here is the factory push pin that you have to take out.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I just saw the 3 in the instructions. So you do have to pull one factory, one out at the bottom and reinstall it.
That was actually going through 3 pieces. It's just a little bit harder to set.
So there's 3 pieces of plastic that he's going through on this one.
That's a nice tight fit down there. It's the bottom.
Looks pretty good. Yeah, it doesn't stick out at all on this side. That's just to cover the mud from getting up inside the cab, right?
Yeah. As everybody knows, you know that there's still going to be mud that gets in behind there, but you're just not going to see it. It's going to get covered up. You'll be able to pressure wash it out easier.
Well, I think a lot of it has to do with inside here.
See, I installed...
There was a big hole down here that you could see. Oh, you've got a flap over that.
Yeah.
What did you do?
This is not factory. When it comes factory, this is all wide open.
Yeah, it's
right
wide
in
open.
there.
You'd see through there if we didn't have that mud guard on there.
So-
Now that you have the mud guard on
Yeah.
there, it blocks it up.
And this is
that
a
hole
thin
off.
piece of rubber that I put in here. It comes halfway back up the seat. And then it's got these flaps here that come down, and it kind of covers the holes up a little bit.
Okay, so the reason he had some issues with the push pins is because he had the 1/4-inch drill bit instead of the 9/32.
1/4-inch drill bit is for the bolts on the back on the top mud flap.
So moving on to the top mud flap here.
First we gotta take this factory pin out.
Another thing we did do is right here is where that mud flap's gonna, it takes 2 bolts that go through here. So what we did was straight edged, drilled a small pilot hole in there so the bolt would be lined up perfect, wouldn't be low or high, just as aesthetic purposes.
Take that factory pin out, and that's going to be the first pin that you put back in. That lines everything up there on the back. Then you can go ahead and drill your holes. We have those pilot holes there. That lines that up really good. You're going to take your shortest bolts, run them through. Flat washer, nylock nut. Let's get the other. I'm going to leave them loose for now. You're going to want to line this up. It's got 3 holes here slotted that you have to get drilled through this. So you kind of want to take your time and watch where you're drilling just so you don't muck that all up.
Or drill at an angle too, because you've got so much space in there.
So I'm going to put this one in first, but I'm just going to use it as a guide. It comes with little plastic spacers. That we'll put in later. So hold this up here tight until we get the other 2 holes drilled. Looks pretty good. So then we'll take this one loose and we'll start down at this end.
And that'll take the small spacer.
That'll take the small spacer. And that'll be the medium.
Short, yeah.
Stick that spacer in between. Goes through.
Need a washer, nut.
That there.
Now what, you did have that other bolt, is that the,
Yep, I have the other bolt.
those are the same size spacers?
Yeah. The last 2 bolts that go in, they have identical spacers.
What's it take, 10 millimeter? And
This is a 4mm Allen head and a 7/16. You just want to kind of snug them down until you feel the bolt just through the nylock nut. That seems to look pretty decent. I'm sure you could probably smash those plastic spacers. Like that. That's it.
so that's how we made those bolts line up perfectly in the center with doing the pre-drill for the pilot hole. Looks pretty good. Now just repeat the other side. Thanks for watching. Please leave comments down below, like, and subscribe to Dirtpour TV. We'll see you on the next one.